up? Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
How many times have we been out west? Have we been to Sturgis for the rally?
Bunch.
Do you remember the year we first started going?
2006, maybe? Somewhere in there. I had the green truck.
I think you're right. Are you looking forward to this trip?
No. No, they're making me go.
Oh, it's going to be horrible spending that one-on-one time with me, huh?
Yeah. Locked in a box.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
No,
I know what you mean.
Yeah, I know.
Here's to the road. Here we go.
Yahoo!
Yes, that is correct. You heard right. My dad and my mom are on their way to Sturgis. Years and years and years they've been going. Unfortunately, I am not going this year. I'm really, really bummed out, as this is, it's only been a little over a year since I started Stiff Rides. It's been 3 years now since I have not been there. I think I made it 4 years in a row, maybe 5 years in a row. So yeah, I'm sure we'll get some updates from them as they're on their way there. They're towing their 2015 Tri-Glide, and they're going to be staying in Deadwood at a campground with their toy hauler. So good times. Well, as you guys can see, we're in the truck. We're in a four-wheeled vehicle, which sucks. It's driving me crazy. It's driving me nuts. Let's get a little bit of a Red Bull on, shall we? That's what really gets me going. That's what makes me be me, is that Red Bull. Actually, I probably don't even need it. I'm a pretty high energy person to begin with. If you know me, you know that's a true statement. Anyway, sitting in the truck, going out running some errands right now. As you know, we have ducks. Got to take care of those guys. They need some pine shavings for their house. They need some food. I got to get some garbage bags because, man, we go through a lot of those cleaning their stuff out. Don't worry, I'm not going to film all that crap. Let's get to the important stuff. The real
meat and potatoes of this video.
So, I am filming a video on the Hulk and fixing it and all that fun stuff. And I'm going to put a couple clips here in this so you guys can see exactly what's going on. But I wanted to let you guys know what it is that happened. Just kind of kill the suspense, if there is any. The Hulk, a bike that's been to Sturgis multiple times. So this is Deadwood at whatever time it is. Look at that guy. He's fucking cool. Anyway, this place is pretty sweet. I love coming here. I come here every year. It's just basically a big party. This is actually ridden from Michigan to Sturgis and has a total of 71,386 miles on it.
Holy Santa Claus shit.
Actually, no. Stop. Rewind. 71,536 miles.
That is correct.
That's where we're at. When I got the bike, it had 40,000 miles on it. So I put 31,000 miles on the Hulk, which the majority of those miles have been put on in the last 2 years since I moved here to Texas from Michigan. So there's something, something was bound to happen, right? I've had really good luck with the bike, which is really ironic because everybody says, green bikes are bad luck. Don't get a green bike. And I've had pretty good luck with it. And I'm not surprised at what failed. So I thought the whole shaft going from the transmission into the other side of the bike and kind of holding the clutch together, the clutch basket in place to where you know what I'm talking about. If you know motorcycles, you know what I'm saying. So I thought it was the shaft coming out of the transmission that had stripped. Because when I went to take the clutch assembly, the basket and everything off, there's a left threaded nut, okay, that you have to remove that holds all that stuff into place. And I couldn't get it off. Like, I'd go to spin it and I was like, oh shit, the nut's loose. That's what I thought. I was talking to some people on the Electraglide owners group forum on Facebook. Shout out to you guys. Hell yeah. Thank you for all your comments and advice and everything a couple weeks ago. So at any rate, I was filming some stuff and kind of going back and forth with them. So here's a clip of that. Well, I think we figured out what's wrong. This is not supposed to be happening. The whole assembly is moving. If I pull on the clutch, So I thought the shaft was jacked up and stripped. I was really super pissed off. So the nut wouldn't come off. Eventually, I got it to come off, which Kendall helped me out. It was great. A bunch of shit was caked in there, and it was all the teeth from the clutch hub assembly itself that had stripped out. So that's good news, but getting that here is taking some time.
So that's what's wrong with the Hawk.
The clutch hub fried, stripped itself, gone.
No bueno.
So I'm going to put that on. Everything is good. The clutch is great. I was going to replace the clutch because I was like, well, shit, 71,000 miles. But the clutch looks brand new. Like, nothing wrong with it. I've really kept up to date with adjusting my clutch and all that fun stuff. And so it's doing good. So we don't have to worry about that. Plus, I just don't have the funds to really, like, do all that shit right now. Money's kind of tight at the moment for everybody. And I don't have a lot to spend. Also, the products. The company reached out to me, sent me some products. I got a shift rod for my shift rod linkage, and I also got a windshield sent to me. It's an 8-inch windshield, and it's like a Clockworks windshield. It's got the lip on it. Very, very similar. Pretty much identical. And these are not options that I would normally just go out and purchase on my own, but they reached out to me, liked my videos, which I'm sure was a little bit of biased opinion to plug their stuff. But at any rate, I'll give them a shot. So I figured, hey, if they're going to reach out to me and send me the stuff, I'll put it on the Hulk. I'll ride, review it, see what it's like. And if it's good, I'll tell you guys about it because, shit,
You can save some money.
I mean, this stuff is a lot less expensive than going out and getting the main popular product, right? That just costs a lot more money. And if you've got it, spend it. Go get it, man. No harm, no foul. Clockworks, if you want to sponsor me. Suspensions Technology, if you want to sponsor me. Shit, all you guys, anybody wants to sponsor me, roll it. I'll, send me your stuff. I'll review it. But at any rate, if it helps and if it's good stuff and I think it's good stuff and I can relay that to you, then you guys can save some money and get some parts that you'll like. So here's those parts. Check them out. So yeah, we're just kind of playing the waiting game right now. I did want to get a video out to you guys, just say, hey, what's up?
Hi, how you doing?
Really excited for everybody that's been joining the community. It's cool to be above 500. I want to congratulate Moto Ramblings again for winning the giveaway. He got the Stiff Rides hat, the patch off of my vest, and a Stiff Ride sticker. So that is on its way to you, Patrick. Thank you for participating. And you guys go check out his channel right here. This is Moto Ramblings page. Great guy. His name is Patrick. He lives in a beautiful part of the country. He's always riding on like the Blue Ridge Parkway and stuff like that. Just great scenic views, great videos. And it's Moto Ramblings because he talks while he's riding and rambles on about a bunch of stuff. He's got a few different bikes. His son is in a lot of his videos. His son's a lot older than mine, obviously. He rides his own motorcycle. Can't wait for that. Can't wait for that. So at any rate, appreciate you guys watching. But that's what's going on with the Hulk. The clutch hub is shot, waiting on the new one to come in. I mean, I've got a whole basket, a whole new assembly coming in. Figured let's just fix all that shit. So we'll get that crack-a-lacking. We'll review these parts, and we'll be back up and running in no time. So thank you guys. Thank you so much, man. This whole journey here has been awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're having a great day. All about the ride, all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later.